Hi everyone, Chris here. For the past year, our team at Delclynee have been perfecting one key feature on this auto press. It's smart pressure system. And today, I'm going to show you why this changes everything. First, power on your machine. And there is your pressure range. You will see a 000 here. Let's press the auto button to lift the top plate, which will start the automatic mode. Alright, we can now test the pressure. Press the auto button. And when the plate meets, you will see the pressure here. Right now it's 20, but sometimes it may show 19 or 21. That is depends on how the worker adjusts the machine when they put in them. Now let's take a paper to test the pressure. Place a blank sheet halfway into the bottom side. Lower the heat plate and try pulling it out. Repeat this on all four sides. If that paper holds tight every time, congratulations, you have nailed the pressures. If it slips out easily, just keep adjusting the knobwise until you get the perfect resistance. Great, the paper test worked. Now let's try it with a real teacher. Slide it in here, press the auto button, and watch how the pressure jumps. The pressure is now at 22. It was just a 20 a moment ago. And that is your smart sensor automatically compensating for the material thickness. Let's adjust the pressure. This is the pressure knob. I can turn the knob clockwise to lower the plate, thus increasing my pressure, or turn it counterclockwise to raise the plate to decrease my pressure. So let's increase my pressure then, and lock it in. So as you can see, the number is 25. And now I know exactly what the pressures we are at. 22 to 23 give that sweet spot for securely bonding without overkill. But when you are crossing 25, that means you are entering the heavy-duty territory. If the pressure is over 30, then the screen will flash 000 like this, and the top plate will pulse up instantly. And that is the machine's safety mode kicking in when it detected the pressure's overload. At this time, you need to turn the knob counterclockwise, and the pressures drop, problem solved. When working with super thick materials, check out this mega thick hoodie I'm holding. And here is how to nail the pressure setting. We suggest that you turn the pressure knob counterwise to the max, and the pressure will be at 0. Alright, let's load this hoodie. Watch closely as the plate closes. The first pressure reading pulls up. It reads 10. You wanna know what that number means? That is the hoodie's thickness pushing back. The machine is literally feeling the fabric. Now let's turn the knob clockwise. Slowly dialing in the perfect pressure and watch the number change. And there is 25. And that's our sweet spot for this hoodie. So why do we start by setting the pressures to the lowest? Because when dealing with the thick materials, the previous pressure setting would definitely overload the system. Instead of randomly trying to reduce the pressure, it is better for us to start from the minimum and gradually increase it step by step. And this way, you will have a clear, more systematic approach to finding the right pressure. Thanks for your watching. Stay sharp, stay pressed.